like, you, like, he, she.
What is the secret to the present simple? Well, it is very simple. It is the S. Remember to add an S at the end of the verb when you are talking about he, she, or it. For example, I like tea. You like spaghetti, but she likes chocolate. Another example, I jump. They jump. But a kangaroo jumps. And let me tell you, it jumps very high. Another example, a mouse eats cheese. And did you know that a snake smells with its tongue? Yes, it does. But Kevin doesn't. Kevin smells with his nose. We all do. We all smell with our noses. There are 3 more things to remember about the present simple. But don't worry, after some practice, it becomes very easy. Piece of cake. Number 1, when the verb ends in S, CH, SH, or X, we add ES to the verb. For example, Olivia catches a ball.
Catch.
Number 2, when the verb ends in a Y preceding by a consonant, you take out the Y and you add IES to the verb. For example, Olivia carries a backpack.
This is my backpack.
Number 3, some verbs don't follow the rules. They do whatever they want, like have, do, or be. For example, Olivia has a doll. Kevin does physical exercises to stay strong.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
It is very cold today. Do you want to know another secret? You don't use the S with modal verbs. Must, can, or may. For example, she must study.
A, B, C.
Or she can skate. Or it may rain today. We can use the present simple to express general truths or everyday activities. I think Kevin is ready now to show us some examples. Watch our next videos with Kevin fun sketches about the present simple. We also have a song and a chat with Pat, our Muppet. I'm going back to my tea now. I like tea. She likes tea.
Like, he.
Every afternoon, Kevin takes a nap for 10 minutes.
Hi, Kevin. Nice teddy bear. It looks comfy.
He sets the alarm.
Go to sleep, Kevin.
Today, Kevin hears a noise.
It's a fly.
He sees a fly. He tries to stop it. He tries again.
Be careful, Kevin.
And again.
Oh no, your nose.
He hurts his nose.
Don't kill the fly, Kevin.
Poor fly.
Let it go.
That's a good idea. Let the fly out.
Bye-bye, fly.
Now he can take his nap. Kevin stretches his body.
The alarm.
But nap time is over.
That's a short nap.
We are sorry, Kevin. You must go back to work.
Bye-bye, Kevin.
Bye-bye, Kevin. Good morning, Pat.
Good morning, Kevin.
Have you seen my house keys?
No, sorry, I haven't.
Hey, Pat. I love your hat. What's wrong? You look sad.
Yes, I feel a bit sad.
Why?
I'm new in school. Nobody knows me.
Oh, I can help you with that. Don't worry.
Really?
Yes. But I need to find my keys first.
I am very shy. And when I get nervous, I sweat a lot.
You can try to start a conversation with general truths.
General truths?
Yeah, like fun facts. Fun facts. And for example, did you know that pigs don't sweat?
Really? I would love to be a pig. Oh, I know one. Did you know that dolphins sleep with one eye open?
Really? Wow, that's curious.
Oh, I know another one. Did you know that clouds are very heavy?
Really?
They can weigh almost 100 pounds.
Wow.
Oh, I know another one. Did you know that Australia has pink and purple lakes?
Really? Well, you know a lot of fun facts. You can start conversation with anybody. You're ready to make new friends, Pat. I have to go now. I have to keep looking for my keys. Sorry. Bye.
Did you know every time I lose my keys, I find them in my hand?
I found my keys.
Did you know that Kevin loses his keys every week? Fun facts, fun facts, fun facts.
You like.
On Mondays, Kevin rides his bike. He goes far away. He usually forgets his helmet. Everyone must wear a helmet. So, Kevin comes back for his helmet. He needs to be careful. Now Kevin has a helmet on. He can ride safely. He visits the woods. He smells the flowers. Kevin, where are you? Oh, there you are. On Mondays, Kevin usually falls off his bike. And he hurts his head a little. Today, Kevin is very lucky. Look, a coin. Kevin, guess what? On Mondays, Olivia usually eats ice cream. It's a delicious ice cream. They really like ice cream. Do you like ice cream? What do you usually do on Mondays?
I like, you like, he, she, it likes, we like, you all like, they like to. I eat, you eat, he, she, it eats, we eat, you all eat, they eat too. When a verb ends in S, CH, SH or X, you simply add ES. When a verb ends in S, CH, SH or X, you simply add ES. It's the present simple. I ride, you ride, he, she, it rides, we ride, you all ride, they ride too. I jump, you jump, he, she, it jumps, we jump, you all jump, they jump too. When a verb ends in S, CH, SH or X, you simply add ES. When the verb ends in S, CH, SH or X,